Working at Reader Precision is, as cliche as it sounds, it's family. Being able to walk into a facility where you feel safe, it's clean, it's well lit, it's temperature controlled, says something about the ownership of the company that can't be said about a lot of manufacturing places. So Reader Precision is a contract manufacturer of precision machine components and parts that go into the end products of the clients that we serve.
We're well positioned for continued growth and evolution of the business, but it takes people.
There's so much more to this company than just machining. We also have a quality department, shipping, finishings, there's engineering, you can do accounting, human resources. The list is endless, really.
Reader Precision offers a huge variety of youth apprenticeships and internships for students seeking to be a part of manufacturing. The pathways that many of our interns and youth apprentices have taken have landed them full-time positions within our company.
I started as an intern here right out of high school, so I was an intern here for 4 years. And then right after college, I've been full-time here for 3 years now. It's really innovative, lots of technology within it. I started working here 2 years before my sister did. I would bring her to different events like our manufacturing day, and she really liked the side of finance for manufacturing. She was in a banking world, but she realized how many things like you can do and different projects you can in the manufacturing world. So I was like, so do you want to come and work for us? And she was very interested. I got to talk to my supervisor and we made it happen.
They're always looking for opportunities for people to grow. It's just nice to know they're in a place that they're accepted, and being parents, we're constantly, wanting to have our kids be happy and successful, and to know that they're at a place where when they come home, they're like, yeah, I get to do this next, and they're gonna allow me to do this next. So they're building skills.
I look out there and I'm just proud of what they both are involved in. It's neat to see.
This is like a second family, and it's my work family. You're not just a number. You are like family to them also.
You can't replace the feeling of working for a family like the Reader family. I never once thought about not being here and not waking up and coming here. And I'm close to retiring, and it's going to be really hard for me because I don't hate my job. I love what I do.
If you're going to be in the community, you need to be part of the community.
We do quarterly events out in the community, giving back, and that feeling that you get when you do something like that. It's very important to us for sure.
This is a group that you can grow with. We solve problems every day. It's like every day is a puzzle. This is not about any one person. It's all about team. It's a great place to be, make a career of it, be very rewarding both financially as well as intellectually.
Aptitude and attitude are the two things we're always looking for. If you have those two things, then your possibilities here are endless.